glory of Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj. This head only was for the motherland, not was before any enemy. Our ancestor blood run through our veins, and Aurangzeb didn't have that power to spell it. A man who killed his brother, his father, his son for the crown, who came to buy our loyalty. We are Marathas. We spread our Swarajya for the sacrifice of endless Marathas. Swarajya is not desire of one man, it is desire of each and every soul. Now the time has came to get rid of Hindustan of that monster. Now we will make a move. Every strike we blow will fall into our martyrs. Now the Maratha army will arrive toward Aurangzeb in Sangameshwar like a raging fire by Amba Ghat and convert Aurangzeb and his empty sultanate into ashes. Jai Bhavani! Jai Bhavani! Jai Bhavani! Jai Bhavani! Namah Parvati Pate Hara Hara Mahadev!
That's the impression in our DNA. That's the feeling in every drop of our blood. That's why Sambhaji made it clear that he would not allow Mughals to rule in his motherland. Hence, he collected all the Marathas and urged them to fight till their last breath for the sake of their motherland. So, they head for Sangameshwar.
We are marching with a force of 5,000 men, filled with hope. If we don't find Sambha at Sangameshwar, imagine what 5,000 frustrated souls we do to you.
We too have lived with broken hearts for years. Why would we do that to anyone else?
Capturing Sambha will fulfill both our dreams. Trust me, Sambha is in Sangameshwar, that's true, with just a 150 men of his side.
Glory to be Allah, not just Girgan, we shall give you entire Gorgon after this. Raje, we are under immediate attack. Who stabbed at my back and stuck on the heart of Swarajya? It was Ganoji and Khanoji. Jagatamba, depart immediately for the safety of Raigad. I am weary of the suspicious gazes upon me, Maharaj. You should leave immediately to Raigad. Have you ever seen a Chava, fear of dogs, run for his life? I want to roar like a lion in the jungle.
The warriors of Bharat Bhumi have always been full.
Horses, swords, cannons. Your army is strong and vast, but my king, though chained, remains opposed to our blast. You should feed our meat to your dogs only. At least they get to taste loyalty once. This does not entertain me. Now, before I extract your soul from your body, I must ask you a question. What is Swaraj? What is going to give us your life? And where is your Swaraj now? In the mountains of Sahyadri, in the flowing water of the Godavari, in the soil of Raigad, in the streets of Jalna, in the wind of Nasik, every corner of Konkan feels like the feet of goddess. Nothing has changed, has it? You stand here bound before an empress, yet your eyes still breathe with that same fire, that same passion ruling your mind. Much has changed, Aurang. Once I saw arrogance in your eyes, a crown on your head, but now both seems missing. Inflict unbearable pain upon him, so when he begs for a death, all we hear are his screams. I dance on the rhythm of the death, Aurang. When I die, a new Shiva, a new Sambha will born in every Maratha family. But when you die, your empire also fall with you.
हाथी घोड़े तोप तलवारें फौज तो तेरी सारी है मगर जंजीर में जकड़ा राजा मेरा अब भी सब पर भारी है. The cruel Aurangzeb expressed his sterility for Swaraj and tried to show that it had no worth. At that time, Chandragupta recited that the Mughals might have elephants, horses, cannons and swords, but they could not shake the firm determination and oath of the Maharaj. Sambhaji let him know why and how it had a great worth. What was Swaraj in his youth? Swaraj was not only an empire, it was the vision of Shivaji carried by Sambhaji.
Chandrakamaje, when I say I would compete with you in poetry, and I responded that You are victorious without even a contest. The one who mastered the mind will thrive. The one who struggle won't survive. Those who eat without a fight bring upon themselves shame every time. Shame on those who didn't dream and thrive. For the right to dream is our birthright. For the sake of our own, we must make our Swarajya eternal and immortal. You are a child of earth, not just dust or grain. You will change times and write history. Do not forget this claim. You are the voice of change. The darkness is fluttering. The soon world begins to claim. Raje, with that, I leave now to dwell in the wounds of your foes. I am salt, Maharaj. I am salt. You are not salt, Chandruka Madhe. You are the sandalwood which I praise on my forehead. Raje, with that the contest ends. In the end, victory is yours, as I had said. A ruler of the people, you are like sun's glow. With Goddess Jagdamba's blessings, your power will grow. O Chhatrapati, O friend Sambha, I am salt, Maharaj, I am salt. मैं नमक हूँ महाराज, मैं नमक हूँ.